This video showcases how to strengthen your Microsoft account's security and make your account secure against any phishing or other credential hijacking attempts. Sign in to your Microsoft account. Select Security on the side panel. Select Manage how I sign in. You might be asked to verify yourself with an email code or another way. Select Add another way to sign in to your account. Choose Face, Fingerprint, PIN or Security key. On the pop-up window, either create a PIN if you haven't set one before, or enter your PIN, then press the button on your key. Give your security key a recognizable name. After you have added security key as an authentication method, signing in is simple and secure. All you have to do is enter your email on the sign-in page and click Continue. On the prompt, enter your PIN and press the button to sign in.